sobrang biglaan sobrang biglaan na guesting na ito, no. Maraming salamat.
It's
And
okay,
just like
it's
Kath,
okay.
I really wanted to invite you kasi isa ka sa mga una kong nabudol na mag-Kumu. Kasi
True.
dati guys, ano, like stan tweet lang kami nag-interact. Tapos, nagpo-post din ako ng Kumu links ko sa stan Twitter. Tapos bumisita siya. Tapos ayun, doon na nag-start na lagi siyang nanonood, sumusuporta siya. Oy, thank you so much. Maraming salamat
Grabe,
po.
ang daming gifts. Thank you.
Totoo, thank you guys. Grabe, thank you. Budol
Those
by
are my
Belly, sa
friends, Chris.
totoo.
Grabe, dinala ko talaga
Hi
sila dito.
guys. Hello guys. Guys, follow niyo ako. Follow ko kayo lahat later. Maraming salamat. So ayun, and I'm really grateful kasi Tiana has built her own community here in Kumu. And
Aww.
yun,
Thank you for
I'm
following
glad
Chris Bellison.
I'm
He's the
glad
reason
na
why I'm
ano.
here, guys.
I'm
He
glad
is
na
the
ano.
reason.
No, but there's a bigger reason kung ba't ka nandito. And I'm glad that you found your voice again here on Kumu. Kasi
Thank you for
baka
giving
gusto
me
mo
that
ikwento sa
voice.
kanila. Baka gusto mo ikwento sa kanila
Okay,
yung parang
okay.
ano.
Why am I here, guys?
Let's go. Hi, Daddy Pot.
Ayun na nga, yun na nga.
Iiyak ka na.
I
Iiyak.
created my account because I saw Chris Bellison keeps on sharing and sharing and sharing links sa kanyang Twitter, guys. Oh my gosh. Then I got curious. Sabi ko, why? Why does he need to every day share a link? And I was so curious and I got frustrated. Sabi ko, bakit siya pupunta sa App Store? Bakit siya nandun? Anong kailangan kong gawin para makita ko? Kasi as a curious being, guys, kung everyday mo makikita yung link, parang, anong ginagawa niya doon? Bakit? Ba't niya kailangan i-share everyday? Clinic ko. Then tinanong na naman, would you like to download the application? Ay, syempre, dinownload ko na.
Taray ka, boses ni Siri. Ganun. Would you like to download?
Ay, sorry.
Alam mo, bulaklak hello.
Tapos yun. To cut the story short, I really downloaded the application because of him. Then actually, the reason din naman ba't ako nag-download kasi meron akong dalawang artista na fino-follow, and I remember I downloaded the app December 2020. Tapos, guys, nakakaloka. Doon ko na patunayan ang pagiging mapagbigay ng kaibigan ninyo. Talaga nga naman.
Ayan na.
No joke. Sobrang saya kasi dito parang nare-reach mo yung mga artist talaga. And they interact with you. And the reason why you want to support people is because they are supporting you back. And that thing alone can give you the reason to stay and to build something that you cannot build outside of this realm. And because of pandemic, everything happened just in perfect place, perfect platform, with the perfect people around you. So, yun, I guess I found my purpose because of Chris, and I'm thankful for that.
Yes.
Hey! Don't
Kumu
forget
baka
to follow
naman.
Chris Bellison!
Yes. Ayan. So, ito, question. Medyo, hindi naman matagal. December hanggang ngayon. What do you think has been the highlight so far dito sa
The
Kumu?
highlight.
Uy! Thank you so much! Oh my God!
God!
Thank you so much, James. Hello.
James!
Thank you. Thank you.
Kalman mo.
Oh my God. Thank you.
One of the highlights actually would be...
Yon, isa yon, definitely. Thank you, guys.
Yes.
Thank you so much, guys.
Diba? Diba? Sabi, Kuya Chris, thank you. Yeah, mag-thank
Thank
you
you.
kayo kay
Thank
Chris
you.
talaga.
No,
Bakit niyo
no.
ako na-meet dito? Pero yun, highlight would be, do you remember my first ever stream?
Yes.
That was
Of
way
course.
back February 12.
Mm-hmm.
And that was the first ever time I did a live stream ever in my life. I was so, ano ba?
Guys, alam nyo, nagtutweet pa siya. Like hours before, nagtutweet pa siya ng, seryoso ba akong gagawin ko to? Mga ganun yung
Oh,
tweets niya,
yes.
parang,
Oh
back out
my
na lang kaya.
God.
As in,
You
may ganun
saw
siya.
that?
Hello, ano ka ba? Siyempre naman. Uy, thank you so much, James. Grabe, thank
Thank you,
you.
James. Oh my gosh. I was so unsure, everybody. I was so unsure because I know for a fact that myself was, uy, 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 ang daming
Uy,
halo-halo
grabe.
na.
Oh my God. Thank you so
Oh,
much.
nag-iftar ka na. Thank you, James.
Grabe.
Oh,
Bakit wala
there's,
pa tong
one of
ano,
the highlights too.
golden tarsier na ano? Kumu baka
Ano,
naman.
highlight
Grabe.
din
Uy,
to kasi 'di ba,
grabe.
Chris, alam mo 'yan, I'm a gifter myself.
Mm.
And
'Di
whenever
ba?
hi! Oh my gosh, my friends
Oh
are
my
here. My
God.
best friend is here. Shout out Dayan.
Hi, Dayan. Hello,
Rem, you're
hello.
there. Oh my gosh.
Uy,
Guys, alam niyo
grabe
bang
naman
sinendan ko
yan.
ng link ang pamilya ko? Uy, ayaw na huminto nung daliri niya.
Oh my God. Ano,
Thank you,
napagod ka na,
James.
no?
Love you,
Thank you.
love
Uy,
you.
maraming salamat.
Aw,
Grabe. Grabe,
grabe.
grabe.
Guys, namumula
Thank you,
ako.
James.
Nakikita niyo ba?
Thank you, James. Grabe. Pasmado,
What's up?
totoo.
That's my best friend right over there. Oh my gosh. Uy,
Oh my
uy, uy.
God. Hello. Uy, Blu-ray. Si Blu-ray yung
Grabe
nag-campaign, right?
kayo, Ray. Yes, siya po yung nag-campaign. That's my friend, everybody.
Guys,
Ah,
follow nyo rin siya.
grabe.
Ayan, grabe.
Nakakaloka,
Oh
guys.
my
Alam niyo
God.
ba, shineran ko ng link yung best friend ko, yung mga kaibigan ko, yung pamilya ko. Feeling ko nakapasok naman na sila pero sa
Ayan.
laptop. So, hindi natin sila makikita.
Kalmahan na lang. Hindi, okay lang. Sige lang, go lang. Gusto nyo, happy birthday times 99. Para kay Kumu naman to, guys. Para kay Kumu naman. Happy birthday times 99. Let's go. Joke.
Oh my gosh. Pero yun nga, guys. The
Guys,
highlight was,
ilalapag ko yung Twitter account ni Tiana.
oh my God.
Adarna. Adarna.
Sa tamang halaga.
Sa tamang halaga. Dalawang Adarna kasi dalawa kami dito. Sige na, guys.
It's okay.
Na-joke lang.
Twitter reveal. If you're observant enough, you'll know my Twitter name.
Yes, actually.
It's a
Ayun.
no-brainer.
Totoo.
No,
Anyway,
no.
so,
Kidding aside,
ayun,
yun
yung
na
first,
nga.
yung first stream mo.
Yung first ever stream, hindi ko in-expect na may mga pupunta, na my friends would really be there. Kasi,
Uy, guys, saka nag-top yan sa newbie. Sorry. First stream niya. Sorry, may
Yung
screenshots
first ever
yan.
stream ko, sabi niya, oo, sabi ni Chris, oh, nasa ano ka, top 16 ba? Sabi mo, parang
ganun.
ganon.
Oo, mga
Yeah,
ganun.
sabi ko, oh my gosh. Kakaloka, sabi ko, talaga ba? Tapos,
Tsaka ang daming
sobrang
nag-interact sa kanya na parang,
super.
as in, nagulat din kami kasi syempre ako, nandun ako, tapos yung iba niyang friends. Tapos sobrang daming nagko-comment, nag-interact sa kanya. So, that just goes to show na yung
Oo.
engagement talaga yung number one na ano dito sa Kumu talaga.
Sobrang naaliw ako dun sa heart. Sabi ko, ba't ang daming lumalabas
Oo.
na heart? Sabi ko, ano nangyayari?
Super bait kasi ni Ate Tiana. Sa totoo naman. Sa totoo naman.
Grabe naman. Thank you,
Totoo yan.
James. Uy. Nahanap mo na. Ipa-private ko na. Nahanap na ni Sky.
Meron pa siyang ibang accounts,
Love you.
guys. Kung marami siyang accounts
Actually, I have a
dito,
lot.
mas marami siyang Twitter account.
Thank you, Jay!
Uy,
Oh my
thank
God,
you
that's
so
my
much.
best friend!
Thank you, best friend ni Tiana. So, iba pa siya kay Dayan?
Oy!
Si Dayan, tapos
Ano
si
ba? Dalawa,
Rem.
si Jet tsaka si Dayan.
Hi, Jen.
Dalawa ang
Nice meeting you
aking
guys.
best friend. Aw,
Ayan, thank
guys. Ano
you.
ba? Yun, that's the highlight of it. And I'm so thankful kasi if, 'di ba? Wait lang sagutin natin ang mga katanungan. Meron tayong cheat
Yes.
sheet dito eh.
Oo. Kasi ano to eh.
Uy,
Talk
thank
show
you,
talaga to eh. Thank you so
Paul!
much. Thank you,
Oh
Paul.
my God! Uy, grabe
Yeah.
kayo.
So,
Yan,
ayun.
yung highlight is the first ever stream because I didn't really expect anyone to come. And actually, guys, I had two devices at that moment. I need to, sabi ko sa sarili ko, I need to, ano tawag dito? Parang monitor myself. I need to see how I look like because I don't really know what to do. Kasi ang galing. Guys, hindi ako papasok ng Kumu kung hindi ako naengganyo ni Chris. Lagi akong tambay sa stream niyan.
Actually, guys, as in.
Anong oras?
Kapag
Alas 6? Nandyan ako.
alas 6, oo, totoo. Pagka-press ko ng live, di ba, meron niya mga padalwa, tatlong bots muna yan. Tapos ayun na, Christiana may na agad yun. Oo.
Christiana May pa lang ako noon. Wala pang 25.
Totoo.
Tapos lagi niyang sinasabi, "Uy, Kristiyana, andiyan ka," ganyan. Talagang nakikipagtsikahan ako, lalo na 'pag Saturday, gano'n. Tapos hindi talaga ako umaalis kasi I know that I don't know, I just want people to have someone to talk to. And I guess
Yes.
that's what's the reason why I'm still here. I tried to move away from the app. I tried to rest for a while. But guess what, guys? You found the new account.
Yes. Ay naku. Tago pa siya.
It's
Paiba pa
so
siya ng
funny.
pangalan, eh, 'no? Paiba pa siya ng
Oo,
pangalan.
sobrang funny. Kasi nagtataka yang mga kaibigan ko na, sino 'to nagbabagsak? Kilala ko ba 'to?
Totoo. Eh, wala,
Hindi ano siya,
hindi rin
ay
siya
si ano
nakatiis.
'to.
So, nag-reveal din siya ng account niya.
Totoo. Eh, hindi kasi
Sa'min,
nalaman na rin
dun sa
naman
iba hindi, eh.
eventually. Oo,
Ayun,
hindi ako nag-reveal dun kasi basta.
ayun. Oh, 'di ba?
Hindi, yun. Ano, highlights is yun. Bukod sa first ever stream is I've met you guys, the people who are here. 37 million strong viewers,
Let's
excuse me.
go! Totoo,
Yay!
guys.
Sino kayo
Gusto
dyan?
ko lang sabihin na nung nakita ko yung listahan ng mga streamers for tonight, yung 10 official, Kimpoy Feliciano, what's up? Level,
Hello.
Kimpoy Feliciano, coming for your gig,
Ginugulat din ako,
Kimpoy. Char.
Kimpoy.
Di
Kalinyahan
ba?
ng Chris
Hello.
Bellison.
Sa totoo, parang, seryoso ba kayo? Pero, ayun binigyan tayo ng
Lo,
opportunity.
seryoso sila.
So might as well, make the most out of
Use the
it.
platform.
Yes. Totoo yun. Totoo
Uh-huh.
yun.
Ayun,
So,
yun, yun,
ayun.
yun, yun. Ayun. And you want me to give message to the
Yes,
community?
please. Yes. Especially kasi nga,
Yeah.
you yourself, you've built your own community and it's
Oh,
wonderful to see na ang daming nakikinig sa and people value what you say. So yun. Can you give
thank
a
you
message to
so
them?
much. Actually, I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my being because as I've told Chris, the first time he invited me to come up sa stream was February 14, 2 days after my first ever stream. I never thought in wildest dreams that I would be a guest to anyone. Kasi parang for me, sino naman ako to, alam niyo yun, first time ever na nag-stream, though naging successful, hindi naman natin sure kung meron at merong manonood. And I was so, kabado. Taglish yun. I was so nervous.
Konyo ka, girl?
Konyo ka, girl. Kasi no, nagiging konyo ako kasi magkapareho tayong suot. Ano ba
I
yan?
know this is like, pang
Luzol.
taft. Totoo. Pang Lozol naman.
Luzol.
Dude, pare, sobrang
Guys,
init.
allergic
Pwede
ako
naman,
Luzol.
totoo. Sobrang init, pero need ko mag-denim,
Sobrang init
pare.
pero I need to aura.
Diba? Ganun talaga. Ayan, si Reggie, taga-tough din yun dati. So, ayan. Kahit naka-shorts ka, basta
Taga-tough ako
naka-denim
pero hindi
jacket
ako
ka,
Luzol.
pasok na yon. Hi, Edith! Hello!
Hello. Ayun, yun. Okay, I don't want to take too much of your time and I just want to give this message to all of you communizens here in the realm of Carlito. Please bear in mind that whatever your role is in this app, you might be a streamer, a supporter, a listener, a watcher, whatever you do in this application. Don't ever devalue yourself because all of us has a role for this. Kasi hindi magkakaroon ng successful streamers if they don't have supporters. Hindi magkakaroon ng magagandang streams kung walang makikinig, walang magi-interact. We cannot have an application where everyone is streamer. 'Di ba? And the reason behind all of this is magkakaiba tayo ng personality, ng character, but we all have, to each has its own, 'di ba? Ikaw at ikaw lang makakagawa ng kung anong kaya mong gawin sa buhay mo. So might
Amen.
as well use your life.
Yes.
Yun. Gustong-gusto ko talaga yung fact na supporter ka, streamer ka, commenter ka, taga-share ka. alam mo yun, sobrang laking saya sa puso lalo na ng streamers. Nakita ko yun talaga kasi ang tagal kong nag-support talaga. Alam niyo yan, Chris, as in super
Yeah,
supportive
as
ako sa
in.
mga ganyan. I love
Ay, Ivana.
interacting with them kasi parang it's a two-way process eh. Nag-e-enjoy ako, nag-e-enjoy sila. At ang hirap nilang iwan kasi alam mo na kapag umalis ka, parang alam mo yun, mabibitin yung something. Eh, pero
True,
hindi ko rin
totoo.
talaga alam.
Kaya
Bakit nagse-stay
nakakapuyat po
kayo sa
talaga dito sa
Kumu?
Kumu, as in.
True, 'di ba? Pero yun, I just want everyone to know, that's my message. So whatever your role is right here, right now, at this moment, please i-value nyo yan and just continue. Malay nyo, kayo naman yung next na nasa spotlight. Kayo
Totoo.
naman yung sinusuportahan, kayo yung
True.
pinakikinggan.
Yeah,
Eh, it's a give and take process.
yeah.
Hindi pwedeng ikaw lang yung pinakikinggan.
True.
Ako, I love listening eh. I love seeing people interacting with me. I don't know. Parang for me, ano yun eh, ang nakakataba ng puso na, uy, nakikita
Yeah.
ako, naririnig ako.
Yeah.
Hindi ako yung one way lang na ibibigay ko sa'yo.
True.
Nakikita niya ako. In return, nakikita ko siya. And
Yes.
that's
Yes.
how
You
Kumu
will be
changed our lives in this
found. Wow.
pandemic.
Biglang you will be
Yay!
found. Even when the dark comes.
True.
Oh,
Thank
'di
you so
ba?
much. Oh,
Ayun.
I
Pero
took too much
grabe
of
'yun.
your
No,
time
no,
na.
it's fine. Maraming salamat ulit, Tiana, and maraming salamat sa lahat ng sumusuporta kay Tiana. Deserve na deserve niya yung support niyo, guys. Kulitin niyo na
Thank
mas dalasan pa na
you.
mag-streams, no? Tapos tsaka
Alam
patulugin
mo
niyo at
ba, nung
pakainin niyo
in-invite mo
on
ako,
time, please lang, ha? Pakainin at patulugin niyo on time, ha?
no. Chris, eto not a joke. You invited me. You know that I'm having something in my family right now.
Yes.
And I said yes because I think it's a perfect time for me to rethink of what I'm planning to do actually. Before you message me, I was actually planning to delete the app
Oh.
just few moments before you message me.
Oh, 'di ba? Oh, Tianax, oh, mag-ingay yung mga Tianax diyan.
Hello. Tapos
Mm.
nakikita niyo pa ako dito. It's because of Chris again. So
Oo.
mag-thank you kayo dyan, guys.
Oh, dahil diyan, paadar na naman kayo. Ano
No.
Hindi,
Hindi,
guys.
hindi
No,
ako
no, no.
marunong mambola, alam mo yan. Yan din yung
Yeah.
sinabi ko sa'yo nung magte-take ako ng break talaga. And you guys are there because I'm still here because of you guys. Thank you so
Oh,
much.
thank you. Thank you so much. Gusto ko yung sinabi ni Tiana na iba-iba tayo ng roles dito sa Kumu. And to be completely honest, minsan kaming streamers, meron kaming mga times na gusto namin audience lang din kami. Ganun. Parang season talaga siya, guys. Parang may season ka na ikaw yung magpo-prosper as a streamer, may season na kailangan mong mag-support. And we just have to trust yung kung ano mang season na nandun tayo, and we have to grow dun sa season kung saan nandun tayo. So I hope I'm making sense. Pero ganun, di ba? Yun. So
Made
ayun,
sense,
maraming
of
salamat ulit.
course.
Yana, time for you to promote.
I don't have regular streams, but if you would follow me, you might see me every Thursday doing my thing.
Yes.
China's
Hot thing.
Thursday.
Let's go.
It
Ayan.
depends if I want to tula or tanong. Yun lang
Tsaka
naman yun.
nagluluto din siya pag weekends, guys. So follow niyo siya.
Woo!
Team Nor Cubes, what's up? Nasa na mga
Ayan na, no
mga
cubes! Baka
Norcubers natin
naman!
dyan. Ayan. O, diba? So, please don't forget to follow Tiana and supportahan natin siya sa kanyang mga streams. Again, Tiana, thank you so much
Thank you
for
so
gracing
much.
us
Thank you so
tonight.
much, everyone.
Thank
God
you, thank
bless. And
you.
please include our family in your prayers.
Yes,
Thank you
please,
so
guys.
much.
Yes. Alright, thank you so much, Tiana. O, diba? Grabe, ano talaga, kapag kausap ko si Tiana, feeling ko ang dami ko natututunan. Ganon. Sana ay picture, oo nga, Tiana. Lagi kong nakakalimutan.
Siyempre, dito ulit ako. Ang dali kong kausap.
Game,
Do your
game.
thing, girls. Ay, zero. Ano ba yan? Makikita sa picture. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much. Ayan. Woo! So again, thank you so much, Tiana. Sabi ko nga kanina, kapag si Tiana yung kausap ko, parang ang dami ko natututunan. Feeling ko enlightened na naman ako. So ayun guys. Hi Miss Ella, hello. James, maraming salamat. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng friends ni Tiana na dumaan dito at nagbagsak. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Yeah, ayan. So guys, please keep on sharing this live stream and keep on